Hey everyone, welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smart purchasing decisions. Today, we have an exciting comparison for you: the ATTOP mini drone versus the CuteAnt drones. We'll be diving into the features and specifications of each drone to help you determine which one is the best fit for you. This comparison is based on online reviews and feature comparisons, so let's get started. First up, let's talk about the price. The ATTOP mini drone comes in at just $49, making it an affordable option for those on a budget. On the other hand, the CuteAnt drones are priced slightly higher at $59. While both drones offer great features, the ATTOP mini drone provides excellent value for money. Now, let's compare the cameras of these drones. The ATTOP mini drone features HD pictures and live videos, allowing you to capture stunning photos and videos. With the ability to connect your phone to the drone, you can enjoy a first-person view experience. On the other hand, the CuteAnt drones also come with a 1080p HD camera that allows you to manually adjust the lens. Both drones offer great camera capabilities, so it ultimately comes down to personal preference. Battery life is an important consideration when choosing a drone. The ATTOP mini drone provides a flight time of 5 to 6 minutes after a full charge. It also features a low battery warning and the ability to control the drone remotely to ensure a safe return. On the other hand, the CuteAnt drones come with 2 rechargeable batteries, giving you a total of 30 minutes of flying fun. It also includes propeller guards and spare blades for added safety. If longer flight time is a priority for you, the CuteAnt drones may be the better choice. Next, let's talk about ease of use. The ATTOP mini drone is designed for kids and beginners, making it easy to control. It features one key takeoff, landing, and altitude hold, which helps maintain a certain height for stable flight. The CuteAnt drones also come with one-touch takeoff, landing, and altitude hold mode, making it perfect for beginners. Additionally, it offers headless mode and gesture control for added convenience. Both drones provide a user-friendly experience, so it depends on your specific needs. Lastly, let's discuss the additional features of these drones. The ATTOP mini drone offers multiple flight functions, including 360 degrees flips and trajectory flight. It also has 3 control modes: remote, app, and voice control. On the other hand, the CuteAnt drones come with fun features such as 360 degrees flips, circle flight, and trajectory flight. You can also draw a path on the app screen for the drone to follow. Both drones provide a range of exciting features for an immersive flying experience. Based on online reviews, the ATTOP mini drone is highly praised for its affordability and value for money. Reviewers mention that it is easy to use and enjoyable, making it a great option for teenagers and beginners. The drone's stability, impressive performance, and decent camera quality are also highlighted. On the other hand, the CuteAnt drones receive positive feedback for their good design, easy takeoff and landing capabilities, and longer flight time. Reviewers appreciate the extra battery provided and the fun flying experience. However, there are a few negative reviews mentioning issues with the camera and poor performance in windy conditions. Overall, both drones have their own unique strengths, and it ultimately depends on your specific preferences and requirements. And there you have it, a comprehensive comparison of the ATTOP mini drone and the CuteAnt drones. Both drones have their own unique strengths. Whether it's the affordable price of the ATTOP mini drone or the longer battery life of the CuteAnt drones, ultimately the choice comes down to your personal preferences and requirements. We hope this comparison has helped you make a more informed decision. Remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons. If you have any questions or suggestions for future comparisons, please leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video on Buy Smart.